me say, yeah, just to name a few, Yes.
Earlier he was singing it. I started dancing for him. But what is your favorite part of the movie?
Well, my favorite part of the movie is the guy. I think he should be the breakout star. The dude that where get shot, where the girl shot. Yeah, him did. My favorite part of the movie. That I think he did a real good job. Yeah.
What about the ending?
Yeah. Well, period. Me love the movie overall. We have to say enough respect to Philip Warmington. He did a good job. And thing. So, overall, it was a great movie, Well entertained, very entertaining. Yeah, man.
Thank you so much. Yes, the star in the house.
Yeah, just stay tuned and check out Nada Ranks. I'm everywhere. Google
What
me.
is your next project?
Okay, well, my next project is this movie gonna be released named Artifice, Loose Fellowship and Partner. I'm a character in that name, Billy Fungus. So just stay tuned and look out for that, all right?
And your song? When is your next song?
Okay, well, me have a song named Friday. I got job with me and a singer named Capsule and another singer named Diason. Is a 3D hard way, So you can just stay tuned for that. All right, respect.
Coming soon.
Yeah, no, most definitely. As we speak, probably about within the next week or two, you can get it everywhere to download, iTunes, all of the electronic music store, them and all of that.
Heard that? Y'all better cop that. Yes, yes. I'm trying to grab this diva right here. Come here, boo boo. You don't have to. I'm asking a question about what do you think about the movie, and you are next. I'm getting everybody tonight. You are not looking cute for nothing yet. See myself there, girl. Yes, look how lovely she looks. And she's trying to hide the way she looks. She's beautiful. Yes, tell me your name and what do you think about the movie?
My name is Tawana. I think the movie was a
Okay.
Oh my god. My name is Shanae. I enjoyed the movie. My best part of the movie was when Wanox was he was talking about he's gonna be rich for the $350,000. I think that part was very funny.
What about the ending when she has to say she gotta go to work? I don't know why I kept saying that. I love that part. The ending when she kept saying, "No, I gotta go to work."
Oh, that part was funny as well. When he didn't want some and she wasn't giving him any.
I love the part that the fact that she's saying no, but you could see the echoes of her voice like far away. She kept saying work.
I know. That part was so funny. It's a really good movie, and I really enjoy it.
And 1 to 5 star, what do you give?
I give it a 10.
10 star. 10 star. Looking for part two? I'm already.
Most definitely.
Thank you so much. I'm trying to go grab your friend right there. Come here, Miss Diva. Come here. No, me. I'm trying to. This is how I grab them. I had to grab them fast. Hi, that's my other sexy diva here. Hi, tell me your name and what do you think about the movie?
What do you think?